This Quizlet tool will be used in order to learn the specific vocab in order to understand the poetry and the poetic form that we're going to be learning throughout this entire unit. So in order to use this tool, the star tool right here is starring it so that you can make sure that you understand these vocab terms, while also making sure that the terms can stay together because there's important or they're similar to each other, they may be completely different to each other. It's basically used to group these vocab terms in whatever way you need to group them so that you understand them and so that you can learn them. This tool, the little speaker tool right here, is so that you can hear each word being said out loud. Just pronouncing them, like with this one, it's not antithesis, it's antithesis, for example. And these tools up here can change the order in which they are aligned. The original is just how the person organized their vocab list, while the alphabetical is putting them in alphabetical order, which can be useful if you are better at remembering things in like a certain order. So alphabetical order can most definitely help with that. And just for example, alliteration, and if you pressed the audio button, it would say alliteration, and then it'd say the definition of alliteration, which is a repetition of the same letter or sound within nearby words, most often repeated initial consonants. So you'd hear that from this audio version, and if you felt the need to, you could just star that term, and that term would be extra study. So it's a term that you might not know, that might be really important for a next test that we might have, and that's why it's important to understand these tools but also be able to use them in an effective study way.